Hey everybody, it's Bobby with KCA Homestead. We took off the ranch part since we are not ranching. Just want to make another video. It's been a few weeks. Give an update on the shop build and a couple small projects that I'm working on today. We're going to be moving our meat chickens out of the brooder. And if you haven't seen the video on how to make a chicken brooder out of a water tote, IBC plastic water tote, you can check out that video in my videos list under the chickens playlist, I believe. Let's take a look at the shop. It is a mess right now. I don't have enough benches and storage for all my tools and junk, but I'm making do, and I did pick up a very nice deal yesterday on a Matco 55-inch rolling toolbox. Let's take a look real quick. So I got all my sockets and grinder stuff and some miscellaneous tools up here. Got lots of Milwaukee stuff going on all over the place. Looks like a Milwaukee explosion. Just some things I use on a regular basis here on the homestead, and that is a tire inflator, which all these tools run off the Milwaukee M18 system. I aired up a big truck tire yesterday with this. I do the lawnmowers, the tractors, everything. I have a Milwaukee grease gun, which if you've ever owned a tractor, you know you got to hit those grease zerks every 10 hours or so. I got a Milwaukee work light, a drill, a chainsaw, miscellaneous battery chargers for the M18 and the M12. Sounds like Mary's going to run the lawnmower by here. I use this the most, the Milwaukee Impact. I use it for a lot of stuff. I got a brad nailer just for holding little wooden projects together. It's not the strongest type of nails, but it's great for framing up something and then coming back with screws. Sawzall, I use that today on this project. And then I really love these new M12s, only because they're lightweight. I'm having some shoulder issues, probably going to have shoulder surgery here soon. This is just a little cutoff wheel. I used it today to split some PVC. And this is just a, I don't know what you call it, socket driver. Put all kinds of socket attachments on it. I've got my heavy duty sockets that I use on the tractor and the brush hog and the tires. Got my Milwaukee grinder. There's some miscellaneous stuff, lots of bits and sockets. Bag full of wrenches that I can't wait to organize. Hole saw kit. Some old grinders and drills. Just getting everything put together here with miscellaneous tables that I have. This is my sad looking assembly table for putting together and cutting wood. And this is the new baby, the new beast, the Milwaukee 55-inch. I'm sorry, Matco. It's got power strips and USB up here. I got it locked right now, I believe. Oh no, I don't. It's got a power drawer here where I can put all my chargers. Very nice toolbox, very heavy. And I got it for about a fourth of the price of a new one, just got lucky. Not much over here yet. I'm gonna have a little desk over here probably and an old laptop so I can watch YouTube videos on how to fix crap. Picked this up at Costco. 4 little plastic ammo type crates inside a bin, and I know I'll find a use for that. It's gonna be pretty cool. But anyway, I've got a welder plug over here, 220. I don't have a welder. I made a workbench out of a door, an extra door we had, and some real nice sawhorses. If you want some really nice compact foldable sawhorses that you can open up with just one hand by pulling a trigger, these are badass. I got a set of 2 for Christmas, I believe, last year, and I use them a lot. And they've got slots where you can put 2x4s in here and make like a pretty cool solid workbench. Here's a couple chicken feeders I'm working on. So we're doing these grow out chickens, and inside the chicken tractor that I showed y'all before, And I'm just throwing together some cheap. These are going to be on the ground inside their chicken cage, and then we can just go in and just pour feed in. And right now I'm putting together a bigger one. It's going to go on this little platform. It's going to be like this. I didn't have any PVC caps, so I'm using a little scrap wood. I'm going to screw this down. I'm about to cut this to length and then finish it up. But anyway, just wanted to give you all an update. Got the shop spray foam last week, I believe. It's still warm in here. I'm waiting on my window screens to show up. They were several weeks behind on the window screens. Hopefully I'll get them soon so I can get these windows open. Just got an old fan running in here. But really enjoying the shop so far. It's nice to have a place to put everything a little more secure. Everything I had was out there in the open on that bench. Everything was getting messed up. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun getting this place organized, getting me my air compressor set up with a reel, electric cords hung up with reels, and just some miscellaneous stuff. Y'all have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe and like and all that stuff. Bye.